So students, today we will demonstrate how to do two-hand knot because we have got instrument knot and we have got hand knot. Hand knot is very important. In that, commonly used a single hand knot. Also we use two-hand knot. Two-hand knot is used like this. This movement is important. Two-hand knot, like this, like this. Thread will be there. You will pass it, pull it like this. Second one is pull it like this. First half like this, then second half like this. So movement, pushing like this, pulling thread. This movement like this, hold it like this, important. So I will demonstrate how exactly you will execute two-hand technique in two-hand knot. Please see that. So now I will demonstrate how to do two-hand knots. Like this, hold like this, let it bring like this, to that. See that this finger should be opposed like this. Loop it like this. Then feed this one to that. See, hold it like this. See that? How to do that? See it like this. Then pull it. So first half knot is over. Square it. Then second is do like this. Do like this. Then see that like this. Then do it like this. Feed it to that. Then again bring it like this. See that, like this. So that is two-hand technique. Two-hand knot, two-hand technique. So I will demonstrate again. Hold it like this. You can make out. Like this, see that, like this. Then like this, see that, you are looping like this, see that, then feed it like this, then leave it like this, bring it, hold it like this, then pull it, becomes squaring. Then do it like this, see that, second, do it like this, see that, second one, like this, see that, like this. Then bring it like this, comes this side, see that, then just hold it like this, give this one, pull the loop like this, then it becomes a second knot, like this. So that is two-hand knot. So this is important, like this, just showing like this, movements are important, like this, and second one like this, second throw is like this, like this, like this. So that is how exactly you will do the two-hand knot technique for knotting, hand knotting, one of the hand knots. So students, I hope you have understood this two-hand technique of knotting very well. Thank you very much.